Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you have a tea store, then keep your eyes peeled because in this video today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a website for your tea store. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty Sites service yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, my tea store. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our tea store so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name and I'm trying to think of something really catchy. I'm going to go ahead and call it that, as well as put in my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. Awesome. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and pop in our phone number over here, as well as my email address, and click on continue. Great. Where is our tea store located? I'm going to go ahead and put in my street address as well as my postal code and move along. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We also open on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays, and a Saturday. We closed on Sundays. Let's do a quick review and make sure everything's in order, but everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to go ahead and click on next. If you need to make changes, click on update location or update hours and make the necessary changes. And look at that, my tea sites has literally generated a simple website for my tea store in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we pre-selected all the images for you. They're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. And we've pre-written all the content as well, just as a guideline, of course. However, if you've got your own images and you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. So today I'm going to be walking you through the process from the top to the bottom through each section so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how this service works and how simple it is to use multi-sites. So let's get cracking. The first thing I'm going to do is click on update section at the top, and the first thing I want to do is click on show email on site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. Our address, we already put in the details, and the great thing about that address is when our customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to our location. Let's go ahead and save that and head over to update social links. Now over here you can put in the various social media platforms your tea store is active on. The icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to your email address so your customers can give you a follow, go to your social media accounts, and see what your tea store is up to. Let's move along. Over here, I'm going to go head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Marty sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really great and professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it. If you don't have a logo and you don't have a huge budget for a logo either, I do recommend that you check out canva.com. You'll find some free great options on there. So there we go. My logo's just been updated. We can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing's perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it and move along. On to the next section, we're making such great progress. Now with multi-sites, we've also pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you as well. We wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website for your tea store. Now, perhaps the colors don't quite go with your branding, your business cards, your signage throughout your tea store and your logo, etc. And you want to change it. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on this nifty little paint bucket over here in the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. We are adding more every single week. Let's look for something like pretty neutral, I guess I'd say. Let's look at that one. That really stands out. That one's really great too. So I think I'm going to go ahead and select this one as it really spoke to me and it goes well with my branding. I'm all about bright branding for my tea store. Awesome. Let's move along. Over here, I'm going to head over to update section and head over to update image. Now, if you have your own images of all the awesome tea products you stock in your shop, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Mighty Sites will automatically search for a tea store, but you can change the terms a little bit. Maybe search for green tea, white tea, and just try the different terms. But I really like this image over here, so I'm going to go ahead and select it and see how that works over there at the top. No, it's not quite fitting well, so I'm going to reselect my options. I'm now going to go ahead and just search for tea and see what pops up for my website. Let's check it out. Awesome. So lots of great options over here. I'm going to go ahead and select this one. I quite like it. Let's check it out. That looks really amazing. Very happy with it. I'm now going to head over to update contents. Now over here you can change the title and subtitle to suit your needs. Button doesn't have to say get in touch and you can link it to various other places. So for this button I want to say get directions and I'm going to go over to choose link. Now over here you can link to another website. Perhaps you offer online ordering or something along those lines. So you could link to that over here. Otherwise, you can link to an action like click to call, directions, click to email. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. But if you have a PDF file with a catalog with all the different products you stock, you can upload it over there, which is one of my favorite options. Go ahead and upload it. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to the PDF file you've just uploaded. Over here, again, pre-written content just as a guideline, of course. Button can link to various places. All you need to do is click on update section and make the necessary changes. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your tea store came to be. Are you a tea lover yourself? Have you been in the industry for many years? Where you source your tea from? Go ahead and put all the details over here. Your customers would love to hear a little bit more of your background and you as a business owner. Awesome. We've now made our way into the services section over here. You can put a little bit more details of the different services or products you offer. Do you offer white tea, green tea, pure teas, herbal teas, flavor teas? Do you also offer tea accessories like teapots and tea sets and fuses? Go ahead and pop all those details over here. And if you need to make any large changes to that address we previously put in, all those hours, or the button, all you need to do is click on the handy update section button and make those changes. So look at that. We've literally gone through our website for our tea store, made some changes. It was such a breeze and literally not even 10 minutes. I didn't need to know any coding. I didn't need to be a web developer and I didn't need to hire anyone to help me with this project either. It was such a breeze. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial and give it a go. You don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So do check it out. If you've got a custom domain, all you need to do is click on connect your domain over there at the bottom and go ahead and say I already have a domain and go through the various steps available. If you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website www.mightysouth.com with a step-by-step tutorial on how to do that, as well as a YouTube video on our channel. Take a look at our blog. There's also some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of helpful blog posts over there, so do check it out. If you don't have a custom domain yet, I'm really excited to let you know you can now purchase your custom domain through the Mighty Sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature and we're super excited to do it. We wanted to make it as simple as possible when it comes to launching a website for your tea store. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your tea store. If you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty South platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so more people can hear about the Mighty South service. Cheers.